Hello and welcome along to my video. My name is John Botting, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can get the sort of engagement that I'm getting here. As you can see, 192 comments and 44 shares of this particular post. Okay, this was done 5 days ago, as you can see, and this is me on my newsfeed, on my Facebook newsfeed. So why is it important to get engagement on your Facebook? Well, basically what you're doing is you're attracting people into the message that you're sending out. And the whole idea is that you are actually driving people to you, to your offering, to your business, to your affiliate marketing promotions that you're doing, to your network marketing business, to your whatever type of business you're running, your online business, or maybe even an offline business, to attract people to you so that they will actually look at joining your business, look at doing business with you, looking at using you as a supplier. And that's what it's all about. That is what getting this type of engagement is all about. 144 people liked or loved this comment, 192 comments and 44 shares. And as I go through this presentation, I'll be showing you some other examples of this, but I'll importantly show you why I do it and what the outcome is. And at the end of this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can do the same as me as well. And I'll be making you an offer that is very hard to beat. Okay, so this was done on 5 days ago. Okay, let me show you another one. So this was done 6 days ago. So this is me saying that I had 5 new sign-ups into my business today from one simple post. It's actually more than that in total, which I'll show you in a minute. But 156 comments, 116 people liked or loved that comment. Okay, and this is me saying that I had been given a promotion in my business. I've now reached the rank of executive. So a little post there, 30th of July this year, that's what it was about. 188 comments, 125 likes or loves. Just to show you, this is the business, just to let you know, I joined this business just coming up for 3 weeks ago now. As you saw back on 6 days ago, today is the 4th of August. So I don't know when this would actually have been. 28th of July, there you go. 28th of July, I said I'd have 5. On the 4th of August, I've now got 8. So that's 8 people, PEMs, personal enrolled members, 8 people into my business. 10 in total, but 8 I've personally enrolled. Okay, so that just shows you this works. This has all been attracted to me. This is another post I made back on the 21st of July. 196 comments, 167 people liking, loving the comment. This was done on the 16th of July. It's another little bit of just advice giving people there, telling them what they need to do, show up every day, and that success isn't instant and all that sort of stuff. 140 comments, 86 people liked or loved it. This was done on the 10th of July. This is another post I made. It's just about as you get older, not caring about what people think about you, and why do people worry about what people think, what they post in their Facebook and things like that. 143 comments, 108 likes or loves, as you can see there. This is one done on the 25th of June this year, saying I'm getting upward of 40 friend requests a day and just explaining why I don't accept certain people as my friend. 162 comments, 117 likes or loves. This is just to show you, I also did a live. So this live was done a month ago, it says there, as you can see. I had 437 views on that live and 1 share and 66 likes or loves. What's going on there? Don't want that. I can't see. It doesn't show me how many comments for some unknown reason. Yeah, so that's just because there's 437 views on my Facebook Live I did. So this also works if you do a Facebook Live as well. Okay, but it wasn't always that way. This was the 18th of December last year, 2019. Did a post there, as you can see, end of the year, 8 comments. Okay. This was done on the 20th of February this year. Just talking about my gas and electric bill going down. 5 comments. And what's that? 1, 2, 3, 5 people liked or loved it. This is another post I did on the 27th of February. 8 comments with 17 likes. 23rd of February this year, no comments and 3 likes. And lastly, the 20th of February, another one just all about my car being sold, 6 comments and 5 likes or comments. Sorry, likes or, likes, sorry, on that one. So as you can see, back at the beginning of the year, I was getting, this is the sort of things I was getting. Now, I'm getting this, 44 shares, 192 comments. So, and I'm signing people up into my business. 8 personally enrolled people into my personal team in my business, HB Naturals. So what am I doing? What is it that I've learned that I didn't learn back in the early part of this year and last year? Basically, I have enrolled in a program which is called the Facebook. Well, actually, I do the advanced course, the Facebook Accumulator, but this is the Facebook Incubator. So this is a new course that's just been launched, and this explains all about Facebook and about what you need to do, how you need to set up your profile. So this is a program overview. There's a Facebook mastermind group where you can go in there and you can get your questions answered, and there's support and things like that. So that's just the introduction to it. This module here talks about your personal branding. I've done all this. I have gone from getting no comments and a few likes to a few comments and a few likes and loves up to what you saw recently with that 192 comments, and that's not the lowest. I've actually had over 200 comments and 44 shares and things like that, and it's all through putting into practice what I've learned here. This is Facebook broken down. So you break down the profile, the group talks about your group, talks about your page if you want to do a group. I do as well. Your file talks about this, all about optimizing it. The method, this is the method I use, talks about exploding your engagement. Look, guys, this works because I've proven to you it works. It talks about adding and deleting friends, your daily action plan. This is about a Facebook group, if you want to do a Facebook group. And this is about making money and things like that with the Facebook Incubator. So all this is available. All this information is available for just $99. Just $99. That's all. So if you want to join me, if you are in business, and if you're in a network marketing business, you want to recruit 8 people in over a 10-day period, that's nearly 1 a day, into your network marketing business, or you're an affiliate marketer and you're looking at driving traffic to your affiliate offers and getting a lot of eyeballs on comments you make, then you need to sign up to the TFI, the Facebook Incubator. The link is below. It's only $99. If you want to really, really fast track your earnings and learn some very, very advanced strategies about how you monetize a Facebook group and various other things, then you need to do the Facebook Accumulator, which is the top program with a top mastermind group as well. That is a lot more expensive. The link is below also. Check that out if you're interested in doing that. But if you're not, go down the Facebook Incubator. You'll learn everything you need to know in there to be able to achieve what I'm achieving with this level of engagement in my posts. Thank you very much. $99, that's all. Click the link below and join the program. Thank you very much for taking part in the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you in the incubator. Bye-bye.